For me, Kaléo is like the best decision of my life, hands down. It's taught me so much. I've met amazing people through it.
You'll go surfing or sailing one day, and then the next week you'll be in class learning, and it's this really interesting balance, realizing that the most important thing in your faith is loving God and loving His creation that you're a part of.
You have an awesome foundation that you can build your whole life on.
You have this really tight-knit community that is pushing you both in academics and in ministry settings and your own personal challenges that you're working through.
I think growing in my faith and getting to know Jesus better has just been an amazing experience. I wouldn't trade it for anything. Kaléo's just been the best experience in my life.